to import contacts. In this video, I will show you how to import contacts and create different lists. You start at the left menu and click on Contacts and select CRM Contacts. Then you choose the Create List button. You set a name and an optional description of your list. To upload a file, you click on the icon or drag and drop the CSV file from your computer. You can only import CSV files. If you are using Excel, select Save As and use the file format UTF-8, delimited CSV. Once you have clicked on Upload, you get a preview of the file. Have a look and see that it is the correct one and that it looks as it should. Here you decide if it is the first row of the import file that is considered the header text. Now it's time to map the fields. We have tried to map them based on the column name, but check every field to see that it is correct. If none of the predefined fields are matching your data, you can create a new custom field. Example, I want to create a field for membership status. I have the different options gold, silver, bronze, and free. I give it the name membership and I select predefined values. Then we need to know what you want to use as a unique data identifier so that we can identify duplicates. The first dropdown is for your primary key. If we don't get a match for the primary key, we could try to find duplicates with a second key. This will be your secondary key and it is optional. There are different laws and regulations all over the world. This platform gives you the opportunity to communicate with people in Europe and the US. We need you to confirm that you have read and understood the GDPR and TCPA regulations for sending SMS and emails to people inside these regions. You now get an import summary that you should check before you do the import. Once you click on Import, the import process is starting. Once the status is completed, you will find your list in the left menu under Contacts, CRM Contacts.